explain myself. You said you care for me, said you be there for me, cry for me. Murder on the beat.
Hello everyone, it's Herlina, and today I'm going to be making a video about this package that I just got in the mail not too long ago. Actually, I got it, I think, 2 days ago. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing an initial review on Nadula hair. I actually ordered from this company like, I think Thursday? Yeah, I ordered from it Thursday and I got the hair Monday. So I guess that's like 3 business days when you don't count Sunday. I think Saturday is a business day, right? I think it is, but yeah. So it came here pretty quick. It came right on time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the package. Now mind you, I've already opened up the package and looked through it, but I went ahead and put everything back together so that way I can show you guys how it came on my porch. It first came in this little bag, you know, this is how they mailed it, whatever. And inside is the box. And honestly, I thought the box was like a PR thing. I didn't know that they actually sent them to their buyers. I thought that was pretty cool. When I saw the box, I was like, oh wow, they actually have the box. But yeah, this is the box. We all know what the box looks like. And here's their social media. And it has instructions on the back on how to take care of the hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and read the back of the box in case you guys are curious on what it says. It says, Nadula Hair is a famous brand all over the world. We have 20 years professional experience in hair products industry and build our own factory in China and the US. Sorry, it's like the summer and I really, yeah, I haven't been reading. So most customers love to choose Nadula Hair. Choose us. Whoever wrote the back of this has terrible grammar, okay? It literally says, it literally says, most customers love to choose Nadula Hair. Choose us, our favorite price. I'm sorry. I promise you, I'm not reading this wrong. It literally says, most customers love to choose Nadula Hair. Choose us because our ex-factory price, trusted good quality, and warm heart service team. Own Nadula Hair. Enjoy natural beauty. That's weird because if I wanted to enjoy natural beauty, I would just deal with my natural hair, but okay, whatever. Whoever wrote this has terrible grammar. Sorry, I just have some technical difficulties. I will get right back with y'all in 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. You know, new backdrop. Got some technical difficulties, but it's okay. By the way, how are you liking this backdrop? Look, it's sequined. So back to what I was talking about. Yeah, whoever wrote the back of this box has terrible grammar. Who knows? It could have been somebody who, you know, lived in China. You know, listen, no racial, nothing. I'm just saying they probably, you know, just didn't know how to write, which is okay. I mean, it's fine. I'm not judging. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this box. So inside the box, you get, of course, you actually get your order, the list of whatever you ordered, and it'll have your address and all of your information on the paper. I'm not going to show it to you guys, of course, but yeah, you get this, and you get these lovely lashes. These are actually really cute lashes. They just look super fake. Like, I don't know if y'all care, but these are what the lashes look like. They just look really fake and super synthetic, and yeah, like, no, definitely not my type of lashes, but it's whatever. I don't really care. But of course, inside the box you get the hair. So I got their Peruvian straight hair, I got 4 bundles. I got 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, and their 24-inch. Yes, I'm getting it long. So I've actually never had 24-inch weave, so it should be fun. But anyways, here is how they have their hair. They put them in these individual bags like most companies, and this is what they all look like right here, straight out the bag. All right, so let's go ahead and open these bundles and see what they look like. I'm gonna start with the 18-inch, if I can find it. So here is the 18-inch, and I've already felt the hair when I first opened it, and I will say the hair is like pretty soft. Now I know it's wavy, but it obviously it's like that because it's been in the bag for so long and the way it's been positioned. So yeah, but yeah, this hair is like super soft, and I don't know how they got it to be this soft, but I'm not complaining. Now you do have a lot of loose strands in the bundles. Yeah, I'm not a fan of loose strands. The loose strands are very annoying to me, honestly. Like when I open a bag of weave and I see the loose strands, I automatically go, okay, this must be some bad hair. But no, I don't think that at all about this hair. Well, I mean, this is the initial review, so I wouldn't know, but just judging by how it feels and how it's not shedding, as like no sheds are coming from this hair, like it's not shedding at all. So far I would say that this hair might be some pretty good quality. It better be for what I paid for it though. I paid over $200 for this hair. I paid I think $205 and some change, and that was with a coupon. I got like $3 off using a coupon because it was over a certain amount. So yeah, but go ahead and look at these wefts. Now honestly, it doesn't seem like you get a lot of hair. To me it doesn't. I mean, I don't know. And this is the 18-inch, so yeah. Now if you don't know how weave works, the longer the length is, how come y'all didn't tell me my necklace was messed up? Anyways, the longer the length is, the shorter the wefts get, if that makes sense, because they actually do it by weight. So if you order long hair, you're gonna get less wefts. So yeah, but for an 18, I don't know how I feel about this, because I feel like you should get more hair for 18. I don't know, like I feel like it should be more than this. I mean, that's just me though. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up the 18-inch. Now I'm gonna open the 20-inch. Okay, so just like the 18-inch, there are still some loose ends. Now this is my first time opening this package. When I first opened this is my first time opening or looking at this bundle. When I first opened the package, I only looked at the 18 and the 24 just to see the differences in the wefts, and I skipped the 20 and the 22. So this is my first time looking at it, and it feels exactly the same as the 18-inch. My only problem, wait, let me see if there's some shedding. No shedding. I don't see any shedding. There's no shedding. So, but yeah, the only thing annoying me is the loose strands, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal, just as long as the hair doesn't get tangled. And there's no tangles, you know. I don't feel any tangles when I run my fingers through the hair. So far so good. Now let's go ahead and move on to the 22-inch and see how that is doing. And just like the 20-inch, this is my first time looking at this, so I don't know what I'm expecting here. I don't know how I feel about this bundle right here, because I can feel it getting a little tangled, just like a little tangled. Like, you know when you run your fingers through some hair and some hair gets caught up underneath your finger? That's what I'm feeling. But it's not snagging and it's not getting tangled. And it does feel soft still, so yeah. But this bundle doesn't feel the same as the first two bundles that I just tried out, but it's not like getting tangled though, so that's a good thing. And yeah, there's still some loose strands, but I just gotta deal with that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bundle. Oh wait, I didn't even show y'all the wefts on the last bundle. Well, here's what the 22 inch weft looks like. It's not a lot. It's not a lot, but I'm sure I can work with that. Okay, and last but not least, we got the 24 inch, and I already opened this one, so I already know what it feels like and what it looks like, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. Oh wow, I need to take down the rubber band. And just like the rest, it has loose strands, and this one doesn't get, my fingers don't get caught up in this one. Like, it's not like it was with the 22 inch. Just like the rest of them, it feels very soft. And this is how long it is, guys. Maybe if I like hold it up here, my camera can't even get that, but like this is how long it is. Okay, now I don't know if it's true to length, but all I know is that it's super long. So that was my whole point of getting 24 inch. So yeah, doesn't matter to me. Now this is what the weft looks like for the 24 inch, and not a lot of hair, which I'm okay with. I understand, because this is 24 inches, and you know, like I said, the longer the length, the less hair you get. So I was actually expecting to get less than this when I ordered the 24 inches. So, but this is the 24 inch, and it's very long and very soft, and no shedding. Yeah, no shedding. So I haven't gotten shedding from any of these bundles, which is amazing to me. I'm gonna go ahead and put up this bundle. Okay, so while I am putting up these bundles, I guess I'll just go ahead and talk to you guys about the shipping and the customer service. So as for the customer service, I guess I'll give the customer service like a 5 out of 5, because for one, the shipping was really fast, and I had no problems, no troubles whatsoever with the shipping. And they actually texted me the day that my package was supposed to be, you know, delivered. They texted me that morning. I think it was it August 12th or August? Oh, it was August 12th. They texted me on August 12th saying your order will arrive today. Make sure you pay attention and blah, 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 whatever. I waited all day, and I actually was out of the house when I got the package. I thought they were gonna text me I thought they were gonna text me when my package arrived, but they didn't. So, I mean, I'm okay with that. Like, I don't care. My mom was home, and she went ahead and got the package for me and put it on my bed. Now, I do plan on coloring this hair. I plan on coloring it jet black, and I'm not gonna use a chemical on it. I'm not gonna bleach it. I'm not gonna, use a developer. I'm not gonna use a permanent dye, even though I probably should do that if I plan on reusing this hair more than once. My background is just doing whatever it wants. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair dye that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna be using the Adore color, and I'm using their jet black, of course. It worked for my Annabelle hair, and the color stayed in for a pretty long time. So hopefully the same thing will happen for this hair. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this initial review. I mean, obviously you can't judge the hair off of an initial review. So just come back to me like in maybe 2.5 months and see how I feel about the hair. I do plan on installing this hair as a sew-in, and I'm not gonna make it into a wig because I don't know, I'm kind of over the whole wig thing. I just want to do a sew-in and, you know, call it a day. Well, I'm not over wigs. I'm just over making wigs. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing with the hair. And that's basically all I have to say about this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Tell me if you plan on ordering from Nadula Hair. And if you're not, well then thank you for watching this video. I don't know why you watched it, but thank you. By the way, if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup look that I got going on, then feel free to go and check out my last video. I think it was my last video. Was my last video? Also, feel free to check out any of my other videos. I actually already have a hair review on Annabelle Hair, and I reviewed their Brazilian body wave. Feel free to go check out that video. That hair was absolute trash. Go find out why I say it's trash if you want to, okay? Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. Like I said, go ahead and check out any of my other videos. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.